Pagkatalikod nyo, inisip ko, sino kaya ang malas sa dalawa? Dahil umulan. Yes, at times, we always associate rain with malas. But it will see the gospel, the Bible itself, from the Old Testament, water was actually a symbol of purification.
Scars we wear, reminders we
Ako masyado din.
this time.
This is it, that's it, this is it.
We dream like a fire, ever climbing higher. We'll burn with the stars in the darkest sky. We dream like a fire.
Hi baby, after 7 years of praying na sana dumating na yung perfect time ni God para sa atin, ito na yun, B. Thank you din at inad mo ako sa Facebook at nagantay ka sa akin. Kundi dahil doon, I'm sure, baka photographer mo lang ako today or baka nasa abroad na.
B, the past 7 years na kasama kita are the best years of my life. From the time I met you, I considered you as God's greatest gift to me.
Dreams out loud, they will sound.
The man who is always happy and excited to be with my family. And the man who loved me at my best and loved me more at my worst.
Saan? Thank you. Finally, after 7 years of waiting, this is it, love. I can't wait to see how dashing and handsome you look as I walk down the aisle. See you later, baby. I love you so much. La la.
The stars in the darkest sky. We are the
Losing my mom was the hardest part and most darkest part of my life. Feeling ko, sa araw-araw nagigising ako, may kulang. Until you came and complete that missing piece. Hi, Miss Beautiful. You may not know this, but you are perfect to me. Stay that way. You made my life so meaningful. And I couldn't thank you enough. So please accept this gift. I can't wait to be your husband and to be with you forever. I love you so much, baby. Bibi. Today, my mom is the happiest person as her daughter is marrying the man with the kindest heart. The man who always bring out the positivity in me.
We